Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 27 divided 3 bracket 10 minus 1. What people do, 10 minus 1 as 9, 3 times 9 as 27 and 27 divided by 27 as 1. What do you think? Is correct or incorrect? It's incorrect. Yes, you had it right. When an expression like this, you have given multiple operation, then always solve it from left to right or follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first solve the bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So 27 divided by 3. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. If there is no sign between the bracket and the number, put the multiplication sign. Now division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So it's 27 divided by 3 times 9. That is 9 times 9, 81. So what is the correct answer? 81. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.